Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a disability certificate in Odisha. This essential document, also known as a Unique Disability ID or UDID card, is your gateway to numerous government benefits and schemes. It acts as a universal identity, simplifying processes and ensuring you receive the support you are entitled to. Understanding the application steps is key to securing these vital provisions. To qualify for a disability certificate in Odisha, you must be a permanent resident of the state. Your disability needs certification by a competent medical authority, aligning with government guidelines. Prepare essential documents such as your Aadhaar card, a recent passport-size photograph, and proof of address. An income certificate and any previous disability proof are also important for your application. The application process begins online at the Swavlembang card. Gov. In portal. First, register and then proceed to fill out the detailed application form, including your personal, disability, and identity information. Carefully upload scanned copies of all your required documents. After online submission, you will need to visit your chosen hospital or chief medical officer's office for a thorough medical assessment by specialist doctors. Once your medical assessment is complete, a medical board will review your case and approve your application. You can then download your digital UDID card directly from the portal, or wait for the physical card to be dispatched to your registered address. This certificate unlocks many benefits, including concessions on public transport, educational scholarships, and reservations in government jobs. Remember to check the description for the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.